This baby AI dance video was created with one image and it's pulling hundreds of thousands, even millions of views on TikTok. No, you don't need to know animation, you don't need to dance, and you don't need expensive software. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create it.
If you've been on TikTok recently, you've probably seen these AI baby dance videos everywhere. These are cute African babies, realistic movements with very smooth dance steps, and guess what? The views are insane. Some of these accounts are brand new. They don't even have much followers, but they are raking in 50k, 200k, and some of them hitting over 1 million views on TikTok. So you can tap into this, you can join this trend, you can create content around this trend, you can start up your channel with something that will boost your views from the get-go. You can even use it to bring in a number of viewers and subscribers to your channel. So look at this one now. This one was posted just 2 days ago. It has over 195k views already. That is the viral content you have there. So stick with me in this video because I'm going to show you a very simple step-by-step tutorial on how you can achieve these trendy videos without even breaking any sweat. So let's get into it. First, you open TikTok and search for dance videos. Just type dance videos and hit the search button and you're going to see so many videos of people dancing, ladies, guys. Just scroll and choose a preferred video. In this case, I'm choosing this particular one. So I'm going to choose it, and then once you choose your preferred dance video, hit the share button and you see several options. The option where you have copy link, copy the link of that video. Next, we're going to download the video. So head over to your Chrome browser and search for Snaptic. You type Snaptic and select the first option that pops up. When you click on that, it opens up. When it opens, paste the link you copied from TikTok there and hit the download button. You see other options. Just click on download video and the video will be downloaded to your phone. You have the save option down there. Just save it, hit save, and the video will be saved to your mobile phone. So once you do that, head over to your phone's gallery, or in this case, I'll head over to my files. I'll scroll down and I'll see the video I just downloaded from Snaptic. So you open the video. The next step is to check the length of the video. If it's over 30 seconds long, just edit and trim the video to reduce the length. In this case, I'll reduce it to about 28 seconds. Then we head over to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, we're going to paste our prompt. I have a prompt already generated, so you're going to screenshot this prompt, or I'll put it in the description of the video. Here I wrote, create an image of a beautiful black African baby of 2 to 3 years, is dressed in white top and pink joggers, bright style 3D image. Her hair is braided all back with fancy pearls on it. She's in a luxury apartment and is standing in a dance pose. So this is me generating the image of the baby I will use in this particular video, and there you have it. ChatGPT has generated a very clean image for me. There are other ways to get these images, but this is my preferred pattern because I just generated a prompt and had ChatGPT do the work for me. So next, I'm going to open my Chrome browser again and search for Kling AI. When you do that, click on the first option that pops up. Once you click on the first option, it takes you directly to Kling AI. In my case, I've already signed up, but if you haven't, you can just go ahead and sign up with your email, and then I'll click to request for the desktop site. Once I do that, I'm going to have access to the full dashboard where I can do my work. So once I have access to the platform, you see the first option here. Mind you, we're on motion control. It says add video of character action. I'm going to click on it to add the video that I want my character to mimic. So here I'm going to select the already trimmed video that is about 28 seconds long. As it's uploading, I'll click on the next box here that says add character image. Then I'm going to select the image I generated from ChatGPT. As you can see, it's already loading. So next, I'm going to type my prompt for this video. So here I wrote, animate this image to copy every move, dance step, body movement, lip or mouth movement, camera movement, and overall movement or motion of the video. And then I'll scroll down and see that you can see that I have 140 credits to use here. So once I click on it, you'll see at the top of the screen it says task submitted. So I'll click on the three dots on the left side of the screen and click on assets, and here you can see that the video is already generating. So I'm going to leave it for a little while, and here you have it. This is our video. This looks really nice. This looks clean. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this is how you generate your own AI baby dance videos and post across your platforms, and I'm sure you will have great results from it. So next, you can just click to download the video. If you scroll to the bottom of the screen, you will see a download icon. Once you download it to your phone, you will see that it has watermark. You can just crop out that part and then add sound. You can add the music that came with the original video, and you're good to go.
If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI content ideas and step-by-step tutorials.